We're here at the Norwood Open House today, and I'm here with
Terry Turno.
Terry. Nice to meet you.
Same here.
What brings you out here today?
Just to see what's new and I guess great about the open house.
Have you seen anything that caught your eye?
All pretty much a little bit of everything. Yeah. Nice facility. It from Canton, Ohio.
Wow, great.
So
That's quite the trek for you then.
yeah, it was quite the trek coming up here.
How long a drive is that?
A little over 6.5 hours.
Oh, dedicated sawmiller right here. Do you have your eye on anything in particular that you're going to be taking home back to Ohio?
Probably maybe a couple box of blades.
Oh yeah, I see they're on sale today.
Right.
Sabretooth blades?
Yes.
So what do you use the sawmill for?
Basically just do some custom milling, personal, I guess, relatives and stuff like that, stuff for on the farm and so forth.
Great. Well, thanks for coming by and talking to us.
Have a great day.
You too.